seeing someone for about, I would say 4 months. It was getting pretty serious, okay?
Okay.
And I have to confess, I thought I was falling in love, right? So obviously he was a bit older, but,
Okay.
you know, like an older human being.
Yeah.
So, you know, they're more mature, and then, you know, they tend to mature a lot less quickly. Anyway, so
Yes.
let's go on that. So we're seeing each other, you know, 4 months, and we get in bed, alright? We do the deed. It was great. About 4 o'clock. Yeah?
What is the deed?
The deed is the sex. Right.